zavolio. Am I telling the audience where we're broadcasting from?
Yeah.
Say it in English.
Yeah.
Broadcasting from Appalachia. Broadcasting from Appalachia.
What?
Zavolio.
Wait a second. Hold on. The guy on the back is not the same as the guy on the front.
Okay. Two different.
Wait, hold on.
What?
Oh, this might be two cards put together. Oh, it's two cards put together.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
you know what we got? You're all excited.
There's a crusty old baseball player, I tell you what.